After the mint syrup, we can also make the mint liqueur. Plus, I need to collect the capers. So let's do the liqueur first. Wash the leaves. We need to put 100 of them in 250 ml of pure alcohol, ethanol alcohol. In Italy, super easy to find it. You can find in the supermarket. The alcohol percentage is 96%, so is almost 100% alcohol. If you cannot find it, you can use vodka, grappa, rum, some other liquor that is only 40% of alcohol content. If you use that, after you will not use the water, so don't worry. Now, chatting with you. I don't know how many leaves I put inside. If you put one more, even better, the taste will be more persistent. When we put 100 leaves inside, we need to close the jar and wait 3 days. More you shake your jar, better is it. So if you put the jar in a place where you are passing by often, when you see the jar you remember and you shake like this a little bit. Now we add also a very small piece of lemon zest. After 3 days, what a spectacular color. The alcohol collect all the color and all the taste of the mint. Now, if you have used like vodka, rum, your alcohol will be around 40% of alcohol content, so you don't need to make the syrup. Maybe you can add a little bit of sugar if you are using other alcohol, but because my one was 96%, now I will add 250 ml of water and 100 grams of sugar. If you want to calculate your recipe, on the website of L'Uomo di Casa, you can find the page where you can put all the ingredients and you will know the final alcohol content. So you can modify this recipe, but also the recipe that you find in our book. Don't worry. Now I put the sugar inside the water and after I combine everything together. Okay, waiting that our syrup reach the room temperature, we can filter the alcohol. I will filter directly in the bottle. I forgot to mention this recipe is not in our book because we will publish this recipe in the volume 2 of Homemade Liqueur. The color is really spectacular. Now, in theory, we should wait at least 2 weeks. Perfect, because in 2 weeks, L'Uomo di Casa will come and visit me, so we can make the testing together. Yes, it's incredible. I'm not testing it right now. Maybe when the camera is off, I will try it, but nobody will know. Spectacular.
Perfect.
Very strong.
No sweet. Good, very good.
And after all this problem with the live streaming.
Technical problem.
Exactly. So we need to digest the problems.
Yeah.
Please drink with moderation because our homemade alcohol, homemade liquor,
so strong.
They are very strong. So please, this is the normal standard after dinner, after lunch to digest.
Yes.
No problem. Okay, guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to have a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you try, let us know down in the comment. And also, if you want a new volume about liquor,
Yeah, because this liquor is not in the book.
yeah, it's not in the book, so probably we will do another one in the future, but
Yeah.
we don't know if you like this idea or not, so let us know down in the comment. For now, you can write some note in the book, so you
Yeah.
can save also this recipe. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Very good. I love it. Good.